Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing the new Ryobi One Plus 18V strimmer, which is the RLT 183115. So quick look at the box, obviously Ryobi branding, Lithium Plus 18V 1 Plus system, trimming and edging, vertebrae comfort design, lightweight, weighing about 2.6 kilos, auto feed spool. So with this package it comes with the strimmer, battery and charger, and should cope with about 300 square meters garden area. Obviously with additional batteries can increase that range. On the side, cordless line trimmer. And then at the bottom, it just comes with some symbols of the 1.5 hour battery. It's included 30cm cutting diameter, 1.6mm strimming cord, weighs 2.6 kilos, auto spool, easy edge, 60 minutes charge time, and 2-year warranty. Then on the back is a few more graphics, brief sort of visual instructions. First bag contains the handle and the strimmer cord guard. Now grab hold of the strimmer, and I can see the box holding the battery and charger. So he comes with a quick charger. And the battery. So out of the box, 1.5 amp hour battery, 18V lithium ion, and probably can't see that, but one green bar, so it needs a charge. And that's everything in the box. So this particular model comes with a 1.6 diameter auto feed single line spool. Got two triggers, the trigger to activate and obviously the safety trigger. So that won't activate unless that's pushed down. This connects to the handle, which I'll put on in a minute. And obviously extendable, depending on comfort, size or even storage. At the moment it's loose, but you just twist to tighten. And there we go. So once it's set up, I'll set my size I want. And then this should be the turning for trimming, to switch from strimmer to trimmer. So twist out and just turn, and clips back in, that simple. And then angled head. Click, turn for different angles. Okay, let's put her together. Have the handle. Strimmer guard connected to some sellotape, which is just ripped some of the instructions. And there are 4 screws, obviously, to connect the strimmer guard to the strimmer. And then the obligatory paperwork. So we have the range leaflet, the battery charger instructions, warranty and service info, and we have the instruction manual for the trimmer, which as usual I shall pay full attention to and read thoroughly. Okay, let's see if we can start putting her together. So, to attach the handle is, or appears fairly straightforward. Simply unscrew, pull out, feed in handle into the area and screw back up again. Now you don't have to unscrew it too much to release the pressure to get the angle that you're going to end up wanting to use, or to fold away and store. To attach the strimmer guard, I think I will need to find a screwdriver. Okay, now to attach the strimmer guard. Remove the screws, check which bit fits it, make sure to get it on the right way around, and they are recessed so it fits straight in, always clips into place. And then screw in. So make sure they're nice and firm, but don't over tight because it's screwed into plastic and you end up threading them. There we go, and now ready to be used. Okay, so when needed to replenish the wire or change it, there are two catches either side. As I simply push him in, and that pulls out. And then this will just pop out, and a new one will pop back in. Feed it through, and you're away to go. So you can test in, I'm going to take that off. And click it back through a couple. Okay, there might be a bit of a jump of sound and video quality as my battery just ran out, so I had to change camera. So back to the strimmer. Okay, so if we have a slightly closer look at the strimmer now. Look at the front, there's a few markings and safety warnings on the strimmer guard. Also to the front, there's a metal bar, which you need to slightly pull out the sides, flip over, then obviously you have your front protection as well. And then just flip that back, it clicks back into place. Right, so I've now moved the strimmer back, and I have installed the battery. So let's see if it works and do a first test. So to turn on, I obviously need to click the safety down and then squeeze the trigger, have it off the floor, and here we go. So quite a quick response, although it did feel a bit vibrating. So I don't know if it's because I haven't fully tightened the top. Let's get it into position. Right, let's see. And as we see, the auto feed is working, as I pulled that right in earlier. Well, it was about an inch, and that's now come out almost to the blade. So there we have it, the Ryobi Lithium 1 Plus 18 volt strimmer, the RLT 183115. So hopefully I should be able to test it out and see how well it cuts and strims the grass in my next video.